What's good, everyone? We're back again on another day, and what we're going to be doing today is polishing on the RSX Type S's exhaust tips to get it nice and clean. So what we're going to do is try to polish the exhaust tip and get it nice and clean and see if we can have a good shine on it. So today, that's what we're going to be working on. And let's get this show on the road. Alright, so before we get started, I want to show you a couple of things that I'll be using today to do this. So we're going to be using some steel wool to try and sort out some of the imperfections on it. Some gloves, because I'm a pretty boy and don't want to get my hands all nasty and dirty sometimes. Microfiber sponge and another sponge over here. And also the main ingredient is this Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. You can pick this up on the shelves at Walmart, and it's pretty cheap. I think it's like $3 or $4, not too much, maybe $5. But anyways, this is what's gonna give you that shine over there on the exhaust tip. And you want to make sure that the surface is nice and clean before you use this. So without further ado, let's get this show on the road. Also forgot to mention, I got some turtle wax over here, some car wash cleaner. I'm gonna mix in with some water to try and clean the tip also. Alright everyone, we just finished polishing the exhaust tips, and man, I gotta say, it turned out phenomenal. Look at how shiny and polished that looks over there. The insides aren't as good because I'm not using any tools. Everything is just hand polished by hand, but look at this. Turned out great. And for a polishing cleanup job, man, that's really shiny and very clean. Hitting it with that steel wool really does wonders beforehand, and cleaning it to a nice good surface and everything. But that's it for today's video, and I hope y'all enjoyed it and find something useful out of this. Until next time, everyone.